Hey there, it's Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do as we check out our room at the Holiday Inn Orange Lake Resort. And again, they've got us right next to the pool in the building and right next to a golf course. So we're going to go in and see what kind of view we've got. And we're also going to check out the room. Before we get into that, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button below if you've not already done so. Get that bell notification button below too. That'll notify you when our next video pops up. Please hit the like button too. You ready to go take a look at the room, honey?
Yeah, we are in the 3400 building. And we are on the ground floor.
Right. I do like the fact they have carts here.
Yes.
And they have an elevator.
We are on the ground floor, but it is 2 stories, so there's an elevator.
I think I need my key to get here.
I feel like this is like a hotel room.
It is. So go ahead. So we're in a 1-bedroom, and we want to walk through and see what it's like. This is an older unit, so keep that in mind as we walk through there. But it is actually quite functional. Where do you want to start?
We always start in the living room area.
Okay.
It has sofa.
Right, which is, I think it's a pull-out.
It should be, because this one should sleep 4. Double check. Yep, it is a sofa bed.
Okay. So you got 2 end tables, a sofa bed, a chair, coffee table. You've got a work desk with a very small television on top of it. No USBs, no.
Yeah, there's like no modern. Oh, there's one. Oh, that has one.
Oh, does it?
Right here, there's a USB and USB-C.
Oh, wow.
That's more updated than other rooms that we've done.
True, they've got the USB-C. And I will tell you right now that if you got an iPhone and one of the newer ones, they're actually all going to be going to the USB-C and getting rid of those lightning cords.
Yes, the TV is slightly small.
So, ceiling fan in the ceiling. And they do have a golf course view for us.
Oh,
honey.
they do? Okay, let's go check it out. So we're going to go into the balcony area.
Oh, and I can get out here too.
Oh, look at that.
I do have a golf course view.
Ooh, that is really nice.
It's a screened-in porch, which is good, especially down in Florida with bugs.
Is that the T where the flag is?
That's the green.
That's a green. That's where the hole is.
Yeah.
Okay, the hole is. As you can tell, I'm not a big golf course person.
But it is lighted, which is actually kind of cool.
Yeah. So here is the screen and porch. It is pretty big.
The thing I will say, where we're at right now, we could get hit by golf balls.
We could?
Yes, we could.
Oh.
So with the green right there, the driving range, you see the tee boxes down there at the end where those white little dots are. That's the tee box. So we could get hit. We could get hit by a golf ball.
I do like the fact that you do have access going out if you need to go out. And it is locked, so there's a lock on it.
Right now it's locked.
Okay. You're going to lock it to get out.
I'm trying to. Maybe not. Maybe they might have those permanently locked. Yeah, I think they've got those permanently locked.
That's okay. And there is 2 chairs and an end table.
Yep. So you can sit out here and relax, watch golfers. No light. There is a light, but no ceiling fan.
Light.
Yep.
Okay. And let's go see the dining area. Here is the dining area. It sits 4 here. And interesting, just 2 straggler bar benches underneath.
Yeah.
Countertop.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're just having coffee in the morning, why not?
Okay, so let's go into. This is like you said. This was really weird.
Yeah, it's set up kind of weird. It's like a hotel room almost.
So you go into the bathroom first. Well, the powder
buffet, powder room. It does have a makeup table, which I actually kind of like when I see those. But it's only single sink here.
Does this come out? Nope, it does not.
Yeah, these don't open. They're just they're just pop-ons.
And there's a bucket. Interesting. Why there would be a bucket, but that's very interesting.
Just in case.
I guess.
Just maybe a little too much last night, just in case. This is a weird hairdryer.
That's an older hairdryer.
Yeah.
This sounds functional.
It's functional. They have soap and hand lotion there.
So the countertops are been updated. So this is an updated. How you can usually tell when they're more updated, it has to do with the sink. The rectangle sinks are more up to date than the oval sinks, because that's what's just introduced in the last few years.
Right.
So that's, if you're looking at pictures, to take a look at the sink.
And they are undermount rather than molded.
And there's a really, really big mirror.
Yep.
That's a big mirror.
Hi.
And look at the lighting.
Hi.
And then let's go into, this is the big bathroom. And here's another sink here. So it is two sinks in
It is
here.
double sinks.
Wow.
I'm surprised they didn't lay the flooring either. They laid the flooring as like almost subway style, but no pattern. Not even herringbone or even.
Well, it's all cost, honey.
Yeah, true.
There's a fan in here, elongated toilet, and then you have a tub on the other side.
Basically tub shower.
Right. And if you can do the shower test. Ooh, is that
no, it's
slightly, but you can adjust that, can't you?
Yeah, you can adjust it,
Okay.
but still.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still
It
short.
It has the capability of adjusting. It has a curved shower rod.
It does have a grab bar.
And it has tiling on the back, which is an upgrade. As you know, tile is an upgrade versus the plastic surrounds.
Yeah. And see, this is what I mean by the pattern on the floor. See the pattern on, but they've got the basic pattern on the floor. So I'm surprised they just didn't do that on the floor as well.
And there, I like the fact there is a hook right there, right next to the shower, and plus the robe hook, and plus the towel rack.
I will say that the last couple of units that we've stayed in have not had towel hooks near the shower, which surprised me.
And what's underneath here? Oh, there is a plunger, a bath mat for safety, and more toilet paper.
Not a lot of towels. You get 1, 2.
You should have 4 towels, is usually.
I'm trying to figure out one. There's 1, 2 there. There's 1, yeah, 1, 2. Okay.
You should have 4 towels. Actually, you have more than that.
Yeah.
Because there's more towels here.
Those are hand towels, I think.
Okay. Let's go check out the primary bedroom.
Oh, here's your pool towels on top.
Oh, okay.
You have to take your own pool towels in, but they will swap them out for you. Trash can. They do have a safe.
Luggage rack. I know how you like luggage racks.
Yep.
And then there is an ironing board.
Mm-hmm.
And there's sort of a full-length mirror here.
Well, kind of maybe a little bit.
I know you do not like the TV because it's pretty tiny.
Trust me, it's small.
Drawers.
They're not soft close, but there's a dresser here. And then you've got a chair, side chair.
You do not have access to the patio area from the primary bedroom.
But you still have the view of the golf course from the primary bedroom. You still have the view. The curtains don't come all the way. You just have to deal with the blinds. So there's no curtains that go across. You just have to deal with the blinds. They have one feature I do like, you know, his and her matching end tables, or just end tables. You know me about end tables for each one. And I did have a conversation with one of our friends that live down here, and when they go to some of the resorts, because if you wear glasses, or even if you have a phone, or you have a book, you want someplace to put them when you go to sleep at night. Yep.
Because you want to see when you wake up.
This one has your chargers on this side of the bed, but there's no chargers on the other side.
Oh, but I like the fact there's 2 of each one.
Yeah.
So you could have, no, that's not 2.
That's 2. That's two electrical outlets and two
USB,
USBs.
but not USB-C.
But there's nothing on this side. So you just have to keep that in mind.
But this is really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go into the kitchen.
One thing I will say about the kitchen, honey, it's really dark.
Is it?
Which kind of surprised me. It's not very bright in the kitchen to work. You've got the one overhead light, and you've got the light over the stove. But as you can tell, it's not very bright in here. But you do have everything you need, and it looks like, with the exception of the warming drawer under the stove, it looks like it's off kilter. Appliances look pretty decent.
Well, we'll see once we open the stove up.
So you got, we'll start with the refrigerator.
Ooh, don't roll it out.
One of the things I've told people before on the ice maker, if you want ice, just this is the level to turn it on and off.
There's a button on the side. There we go.
That turns it on, and then it'll take that. If you have ice in your ice maker, when you get to your room, dump it and just restart it. Get fresh ice. You have a water pitcher in there too. Not bad. It's fine. Mixing for margaritas and daiquiris and things like that.
Blender.
I know it's a mixer. What do we got up here? We got glasses.
Yep. Service for 4.
Service for 4. Toasters right here.
Regular coffee maker.
Yep. And then you've got your colander, mixing, pie tin. Here's more mixing. Here's more baking and mixing bowls. Casserole pan and things like that. Honey, there's a tea kettle. I know you like tea kettles. There's your silverware. Again, service for 4. Kitchen utensils. Should have pots and pans under here.
Yep.
Yeah, and you doing there? They are not non-stick.
But there is one up there that's non-stick.
Oh, there is a non-stick there?
Yeah, I know people say, well, non-stick is not supposed to be good for you. I use non-stick because of eggs.
Yeah, and I will tell you right now, the whole non-stick thing has been debunked millions of times over at this point. Scissors, can opener,
Grater.
knuckle buster.
Interesting.
That's what I used to call it, because it's a knuckle buster. Nothing there.
Nothing there? Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
You
I
did that
already
one.
looked at that one. I always like to see if there's anything up here. Nope. The microwave looks newer. It's very clean inside, so it may be a newer microwave.
Stove looks a little beat up.
Yeah, stove I'm not so sure of.
Yeah, stove looks a little...
It's clean.
Yeah, but I think the bottom is off kilter. I don't know why it's not correct.
Oh yeah, that's totally off kilter.
Okay.
Coming over here, you've got
the Fiestaware.
Fiestaware, service for 4. Let's see what's over here. Nothing over there.
So you have
Paper towels, dishcloth, scrubby.
Oh, your favorite finish.
Yeah, dishwasher soap. And then you've got knives, including steak knives.
Nothing in there.
Nothing under there. Under the sink, let's go under the sink first. Recycling, and then also fire extinguisher. Sink's a double sink. Sink is a double sink, and it's actually deep, so I'm not worried about that.
And there, so you know what this is the garbage disposal button.
Yeah, that's kind of weird, but that's what that is. And then you've got your dishwasher right here, which
they ran it.
They ran it.
Yep.
So.
Oh, that's what it is. There's a cutting board in there.
Yep. So they did run that. And I think I want you to turn around, because I think behind these doors is your washer dryer.
And this is why we pack light. Oh my gosh, it's a full-size washer and dryer.
Yep, and there's extra blankets and everything up there for the hide-a-bed.
I did not expect a full-size washer and dryer.
Vacuum cleaner. And it does have a hose, honey, so that you can use your vacuum bags to suck the air out of bags to pack a little tighter.
Some kind of cleaning tool back there. And I think a broom is back here too.
Oh, that's just a this is one of those
Swiffer.
Yeah,
Swiffers. But without, there's nothing on it.
Yeah, there's nothing on it, but that's what that
there's
is.
a broom back there.
So that's it. That is the room tour of the 1-bedroom here at Holiday Inn Orange Lake. What's the actual name of the resort?
Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake Resort, and we are in the North Village 1-bedroom unit.
Yep, and again, you're 10 minutes from Animal Kingdom. So thanks for watching this video. Appreciate you checking it out. Haven't hit that subscribe button below, go ahead and do so now. Get that bell notification button below too, notifies you when our next video goes up. Please hit the like button too. Thanks for watching. Trying to help you out on your stay in Orlando, and have a magical day.